Welcome. Recently, UN has signed a treaty, and that is known as BBNJ Treaty or the BBNJ Agreement, and that is marine biodiversity areas beyond national jurisdiction. So, those marine areas which are lying outside the territorial regions of the individual nations or the national jurisdiction of the individual nations would be considered under the BBNJ treaty, and this is mainly to protect the marine life and bring in a central implementation. So the treaty would officially take into account in 2026, and the major idea is working with FAO, that is Food and Agricultural Organization, on three pillars: maintaining the ecosystem of the region, bringing in sustainable development, ensuring that international waters are well managed and they have long term viability, and bringing in collaboration across various government sectors. So FAO, which was established back in 1945 after the Second World War, has more than 195 members with more than 130 active nations, and a goal of sustainable development too, that talks about zero hunger, improving nutrition, and highlighting the major areas of food and food resources, right? So gathering and analyzing the data, bringing in government policies, executing those policies, creating emergency funds, using the marine resources for better ocean health and better human livelihood are some of the areas that FAO works with. So under this mission of global food security, there are three things that have been identified. One is to identify sustainable fisheries, bring in global food security, and maintain a healthy biodiversity. All of these three could be maintained within the jurisdictions that have been laid down for BBNJ, that is the marine biodiversity areas beyond the national jurisdictions of individual nations, and these would directly contribute to the global secure future. So independent of the individual nations, this would work as a common independent body working together for the waters which are beyond the national areas and protecting the marine life, making that marine resources more sustainable, and meeting or mitigating the issues of global food insecurity. So thanks for joining. Of course, we'll be bringing more important topics like these for you. Have a great day.